Morning, Steve Reed in Chicago with the morning grain comments. Well, it's Thursday. Overnight prices are about unchanged. I think the old crop beans were gaining a little bit on new crop, but then we saw some reports out of China that the government may soon start cracking down on some speculators who are buying beans and bringing them in as financing for speculative investments, including property. This has always been an ongoing rumor that's floating around, but could actually trigger, if true, some cancellations of some open Brazil soybean exports. So the market's going to have to kind of watch that pretty closely. We also saw U.S. domestic bean basis break pretty hard in the last couple of days, and I think some of the crushers have good ownership for now, and that could offer some resistance to the bean market. Over in the corn, we think yesterday, near the 2-month highs, we saw some farmers selling in old crop corn. That's probably a good thing to do if farmers have a lot of corn that they still have in storage from last year. As far as the weather is concerned, there's some drizzles around the Great Lakes, there's some rains across the southern plains, but finally the system that's been around for the last 2 or 3 days will move out of the Midwest. We have another system that might come in on Sunday through Tuesday, and the long-range maps are having a lot of difficulty with a front that's later next week. One map brings rains into the Midwest, the other map builds a ridge across the southern plains and keeps the rains to the north. So we'll have to see, especially on Tuesday morning, what the market thinks about the U.S. Midwest weather forecast. Right now the slant is that this overall pattern is favorable for U.S. 2013 crops, which offers some resistance to the marketplace. Monday's a holiday, so we won't be trading on Monday. Hope everybody has a good time. The other big news is that the Chinese PMI data come out below 50%. A number below that means their economy is slowing. A number above that means that the economy is growing. So it's kind of a surprise that the data came out suggesting the Chinese economy is slowing. So you're seeing markets like crude oil and copper lower today because of that. We're also seeing some profit taking on those that were long the dollar short currencies. Yesterday we had a key reversal in the U.S. stock market. World markets were lower, and our stock market is going to open up lower again today. So anyway, we have a lot of movement in global commodity markets. Grains should be choppy until we know more about the U.S. 2013 crops. As always, these are my thoughts and not those of ADM or ADM Investor Services, and have a safe and profitable trading day.
See you later.